the final competition with Tuiko and Rangamura, Debthang. And just our honorable EM Sports and Youth, he has suggested that Rangamura, the name of the village, should be changed in the Rangkhal language. It must be changed in Rangkhal language. It is number one. And today I will not take much time. I appeal and I request our honorable EM of Sports and Youth. Several times in the several government, you have faced many problems and you have put in many demands, and especially for this playground. I request our honorable EM next time. This time on the spot we have given some land leveling allotment to the Kaiping village. That one, what name of the village? Kerlang. The Kerlang people are getting first land leveling of the ground field. Next time we will do this ground field with the permission of our EM. And this portion also we will create some gallery for the sitting arrangement. This is with our limited fund, but we will do, don't worry, we will do it. Bubagra is there, we are there, we both are there, don't worry. So let us see bamboo dance and match. I will not take much time. Thank you everyone again, once again.
Very good evening to all present here, and I'm very much honored to be with you all. Belakana Kaksangka, Tangi Hake, Dini Nor of Hay Sal Kolomani Lomani first visit non area. The Belaino Kakaham, Tini, Borok, Belaino Mayaganang, the Tini Udrog, energetic, Tini Udroma Makinugai, O my initiative Namanugai, Belakan Tongtoka, they. Tini chini nongni khajuksa chini honorable EM chini borong gonang ata Kamal bai tini oro present khaimam bagai belakinang saksak tongthoka dei tini chini sikla chalai rong bagai oma hake kaisa playground snamnan bagai chung initiative nalai nai bus kango chung tebo kaham glege chini sikla chalai rong sports so chung interest phunugai chung tubunan bagai dei first of all ang puilano chini borong gona jil Priti Rangkhal, Chin Chairperson, Sarduk Karkari. Edis Village Committee ne Chini Chairperson, Belakan Hambai, but Pulia Sakang, Aniara Thangwi, about invite Klaika, Apur Simana Angbukau Song with the money, and Thangwi, Jessicabanam to Watipan Paitung, Satuban Paitung, Tava Etan Kainai. Tangi Hake, Obani Kaisa Pula, Omahak opportunity, the one at Chini Rangkhal Kamiwa and Thangani. Belakan Kushinka. They since Haimano, Chini Yudrong, Gachini society backbone. Zebrachini Yudro strong tongnai, Zebrachini Yudro Kaham tongnai, Aperchini society, they were strong. Our baggage, Simon Nangnai, sports business career Snamano, sports business in health no, Kahamplay Tonimano, Abo Hakila Chumpus Kango. Jotto sports lover wrong baggage, Chini DTA, this Hapang Ningi, Chini Bubagra Nikol Pangni, Bubagra Nikol Pangbai, Bubagrani. Naharma by some bus kango. Chini Sikla Chalairong, some sports, so they were developed kind of baggage in China with Tongo. They Tini Ojora Beleka Hamanka, Chini Sikla or Amsini Chini Utrok by Ching Thungmani Chung Nainani, they orange business sports, Kaham Tong Thungaiti, Chini Utrok Ham Thungarum Bus Kango, Simberno, Kaham Glatebo, Mutang Baggage in Chaituknai, they Tinito Bishokok Haliata engaged in Buskan water of Packet Thungmai tonight. They bus kang jara ko bahai no hai norway ti sa chini oi area of hai sang kok salai finai they chini yodrong na hai no hai ani best wishes norong duita team no nara kahangkai thanglai di te buskang jarabo jeng TTA dise hapang ingai jini football tournament ngai arabno participant khlainai ingai okok sawen tin bagi yasung situng nara jana kahangkring tong di te joto leaders no ang bele bele kena hamjak mate kha kamya frei ani ko oram paikha jodona hambai khulumka kalom
Awet ta Sandip Jungambo Sandip Temtung Dip Thangai tu